Hello again and welcome back to the Mobile Technology Star channel. And today I have a new accessory. I was on a picnic as well, and I was doing some shopping, walking in the shop, especially the power tools section, and I came with a new wonderful accessory that will change the whole career of welding, which will make it more easier for people who want to weld. Beginners, professionals, experts in welding, it will change the whole career for those people. So, for beginners, of course, people just like me who doesn't know anything about welding and just testing products and seeing what does this do and what kind of electrode I use just to weld metals and all of that. I came with my hands on a new accessory. And this new accessory looks like the sunglasses, but it's not a sunglasses. It's saying solar powered auto darkening welding glasses. And its model is WA009. Look, as you can see, I'm going to show you. This actually charges, it has a battery. It has this circular battery, 3-volt battery, and it charged it using the solar power. I was testing it, one of those with the guy in the shop. He just grabbed it. It was not working. He used to light with the butane lighter and make sparks. It's not darkening. We could see the sparks until suddenly it started to darken. So I suggested, of course, that it needs to be recharged because it does not have a recharge or retain a charge inside, just to turn on the auto darkening mode. Because this protective glasses is used when you're welding. That sparks and that radiation, it's a very powerful radiation that will totally blind you if you're not using any type of glasses, protective glasses. So you can use one of those. It will replace the face shield. These glasses will replace the face shield. Look at that. Wanted to show you this. I know you will all like this, and this is a very wonderful glasses. This is a very wonderful accessory for people who want to weld. And we're going to add some tips and tricks we can do to keep this working on. Okay, let's unpack it. Comes with this protective ticket on, and it comes with the belt as well, the same as the face shield, but it's different. It's more protective because it darkens automatically when it sees sparks. But if you're welding and the sparks are not that powerful, you can see the welds and you can use your hands, but it will darken a little bit. It adjusts itself automatically. From inside, as you can see the writings on it. And if I place it on the camera, hopefully you can see. If it starts to see the light, if it starts to see the light, any light, it darkens. So the sparks, if it sees any sparks, it will darken. We're going to test it with a lighter. See, this is a lighter, and you will see when I light, it starts darkening. Look at that. Look at that automatically. Any spark. I'm not talking also about the weld. I'm talking about any spark. It will protect your eyes automatically. See? It's darkening now. Look at that. Hopefully you can see it well. It darkens so that your eyes cannot see the flames or the sparks and protects your eyes. So, what happens is it's darkening right now. Look at that. Let's install the belt so that we can start using it. Of course, I bought new stuff and I will be doing other videos and unboxings for you guys just to see. Just to show you the cool tools. Okay. Install it. Okay. Hopefully I can get to know how to install that. Okay. The belt is cool, by the way. Because of course, again, it will stay on the head, tied up, and it will help in the welding procedure just to keep the glasses from falling. So, we'll put it on later. Anyways, I would like to see your opinions in the comments about this. I'm going to remove this plastic cover or plastic case because it's not helping. And it's saying on the box, please remove that protective film before you use the glasses. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully I can remove it. It's not easy, as you can see. Okay, it's getting removed now. Wow. 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 Okay, it's removed. Look at that. Look at that. Cool. Wow. Smells plastic. Okay, let's clean that with a piece of a cotton. Let's clean that filter. Clean it very well. So it doesn't stop the glasses from charging and things like that, because it charges the battery inside it using the light or the solar system, the solar, it charges using the sunlight, sun rays. Okay, it's darkening, like, very cool. Wow. When it sees any light, it starts darkening. So I'm gonna test it one more time. Woo! Cool! I love it. I really love it. Okay, it has another plastic coating from inside. That needed to be removed. I can place that on the front just to protect the glasses as a screen, protective screen. Okay. Wow. It was a smart idea. Hopefully. Hopefully it's smart. It's not stupid, hopefully. Okay. I'm just testing, as you know. Just to see the best way. Just to keep it protected. And as well, not to cover the solar system that it has. Oh, when it sees it's the cell phone light, it starts darkening. Woo! Okay, it's working perfect, guys. It's staying darkened. Okay, I can see using that protective film as well, and I can see the welds, and if there is any spark that will start happening, it will darken and I will continue to see the weld without hurting my eyes. Okay. And again, that was it. This was a wonderful accessory that you can buy that will protect your eyes from being blind for a short time or being permanently blind, and as well as it will be useful in other welds, electrical stuff. So this is the professional accessory that will change the whole welding career. And again, that was it. Thank you for watching the Mobile Technology Star. I will be more than glad, guys, if you just click on that subscribe button and as well as the notification bell just to keep me motivated making these videos. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace.